Hi, Zesties. Okay, let's cook noodles and snow chicken. I guess I'm gonna do this, which is Filipino noodles, but you know what? I have some eggs I want to use. I don't know, I just wanted to do this, okay? We're doing Filipino noodles and Korean chicken. Okay, Zesties. And you know what? I thought about doing just a mukbang today. Like, oh, I'm not gonna record myself, or I've already, like, done ramen videos or whatever. But it's like, you know what? Ooh, Lord. There was a hair on the, Spam. I'm just gonna not even use that top piece at all. It just freaks me out, Zesties. But you know, I was like, I want this to be a more cooking oriented, right? So the only way to do that is to cook on camera. So here we go. Let's cook on camera. Okay. And with these, they're very sticky, so they don't mix up quite as easily as mee goreng or I'm so mad I'm out of sesame seeds. But no, we're grateful for what we have, not for what we don't have. Okay. They don't mix so well like mee goreng or buldak. I can't really do my like stir fry with them, so I put everything on at the end with the Pancit Canton. Let's see, and I didn't put cilantro in my curry yesterday because that's not really traditional Jamaican. And you know what? It's not really traditional Filipino either, I don't think, at least. But I'm gonna put cilantro in it anyway because you know what? I just feel like it today. Okay. And I don't have my sesame seeds, so I need to do like something to spice them up. Now I'm starting to think, when am I going to start doing that chicken? And you know what I'm going to do? Wait, should I do cheesy chicken or snow chicken? I can't decide, Zesties. I wish you guys were live to tell me. What should I do? Cheesy chicken or snow chicken? You know what? Maybe I'll do snow chicken because I did cheesy the last time. Maybe it's time to do some snow. Oh, that sounded bad. Whatever. And I'm excited because I am gonna use this, the carbonara bulldog sauce. You know what? Yeah, that would probably go well with the snow chicken. Let's do snow chicken today, Zesties. I almost cut myself, Zesty, so be more careful than I am, please. Okay. And I'm hungry, so I want to get this done, Zesties. What should I drink today? Okay, you know what? Let's do those noodles. I'm concerned that I'm making too much food today, but you know what? I'm hungry. And you know what? To the people who say I'm skinny, I am not. Look, I am slim thick with 2 C's, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Just long enough to soften up. But I want to finish up the cooking in the pan. Oops, I let it go for a full 1 minute 30. Wait, let me take it out because I don't want it to keep cooking. Oh, and I need better pepper storage techniques, Zesties, because I had to like rummage through the peppers to find the good ones. I'm still like having to do this. Oh, Zesties. Okay, that's enough. That's enough Thai chilies. Thinking of what do I need? What am I gonna need throughout this whole process? So I am going to season up the noodles. Okay. This has a bunch of like stuff stuck in it. It didn't come out all. Like I need more of it to come out. Oh my god, you know what? Whatever. I don't care. Man, Zesties, I'm so hungry. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need spoons. Where's my spoon? I ran out of my plastic spoons, Zesties. I need more. Where are my metal? Here we go. Metal spoon. Okay. Just a little bit, because this is spicy. And some of this. Because why not, Zesties? Why not? Oops, I put too much in there. Oh well. Let me see if is there anything else I need to put in there? A little white pepper won't hurt. Just a little. Not gonna do ginger. I don't know if Filipinos use ginger. And I don't really like, I don't really like mixing seasonings, you know what I mean? Like I like to season, but I don't like to mix seasonings. Like I try to, it's not that I try to stay traditional, because I don't like traditional, and like I'm using cilantro, which is not traditional, but that still more or less like fits with Asian food, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna use like American seasonings with Asian food, you know? Ooh yeah! Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. And I'm gonna do 2 soft-boiled eggs. Yes, this is gonna be wonderful. Okay, so before I get too deep into anything that I'm doing, I need to make that snow powder. So I'm using the Korean cheese seasoning, which is absolutely incredible. This is absolutely my favorite thingy that I bought on Cyber Monday. Some milk powder. Actually, wait, you know what? I'm gonna do one more just to be safe. I'm feeling cheesy today. Milk powder. To be honest, I'm not quite sure what the ratio is like supposed to be. I just do it until it starts looking light, and you know, if you were to pour it on top of something, calling it snow would make sense. You know what I mean? Okay, now I'm gonna season it up a little extra. Why not? White pepper, nothing too serious, because to be honest, I don't want it to lose its color. Ginger, just a tiny, tiny bit. Wait, actually, no, I don't want ginger. I changed my mind. Black pepper, sugar. Actually, you know what? I'm out of brown sugar, and this is already really sweet. I think it should be fine without it. I'm missing, oh, yeah. Where is that? Parsley flakes. To be honest, I don't know what types of flakes that they put in there. If it's cilantro or parsley. But I know that they put flakes in there. And I wanted to put some flakes in there too. Just to give it that look. Okay, I'm going to keep these nearby because I don't really know how much I'm going to end up needing in the end. Let's see, am I ready to start cooking the stuff? I need to make sure I have the egg thingy ready. Okay, so I'm gonna start heating the Spam and tofu. You know what? I'm gonna start. Wait. Is this clean? No, it's not. Zesties! Okay, so just gonna put all this in here. I have more tofu than Spam. Oh well, whatever. I'm healthy, guys. Oops. And you know, I just am kind of using up what I have. I feel like that's what cooking is though, right? Because sometimes when I do stuff like this, people are like, oh, you're just like looking for whatever you have in your fridge to use up. And I'm like, yeah, isn't that what you're supposed to do? Like you buy food, you store the food, it eventually starts going bad. You have to say, oh, I need to make this before it goes bad. Isn't that what it's all about? Okay. Actually, now that I'm cooking this, I have to get the show on the road. I need to put that heat down because I want to try to get everything done at like around the same time. Okay. I need that pokey thing for my eggs. And I'm sorry, I think this is making the auto cuts not cut off, so you're probably like seeing some time that I'm doing nothing. I am sorry. Okay. Where is that pokey thingy? Need pokey thingy now. Pokey thingy? OMG. You know what? I'm turning this off until I find the pokey thingy. Wow, Zesties. Found the pokey thingy. Yes, I'm using box chicken. I don't care if you don't like it. And I'm saving this for a later date. Not even sure how long this is gonna take. You know what? It's probably time. If I'm questioning it, it's probably time. No, why are some of these chicken pieces freezer burn? Now I know the purists are gonna be saying, oh, well, see, that's what you get for using frozen food or whatever. Okay, you know what? Before I put those in, I wanna puncture these eggs, and I hope again by doing this you understand what type of machine I am using. Get that air fryer going. And now I can never get like every side perfectly browned and everything, but all I want is to, you know, try to get as many sides of the Spam and tofu browned as I can. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna do this thing that you always see me doing. Just try to make sure as much of the surface of the chicken is all oily. I probably overdid it, but oh well, you know what? I don't care. Okay, I think it's time to get those eggs going. Okay, it's time to do the ramen or whatever it is. The Pancit Canton. So I'm putting this to the side. Trying to at least. There's some weird like tofu juice there that I don't really like, but whatever. Okay. Just trying to toast it up a little bit. I don't really know why I do this, I just like to. Just enough water to cook it, not too much. I'm mad at that tofu juice looking all weird over there. Oh, there go the eggs. Okay, now let me put the final touches on it, which is gonna be some chili flakes, cause why not? Some Thai chili, cause why not? All of the cilantro, cause why not? Like half of the green onions. Actually, you know what? I don't like these green onions. I'm putting them all in there. I don't want them on my snow chicken. And some toasted sesame oil. Okay. I can just tell, Zesties, this is gonna be so good. The smell is smelling. That smell is smelling, Zesties. I'm kind of like starting to plate over here on the side. Oh, Zesties, I wish I had sesame seeds. But you know what? Grateful for what we do have, not for what we don't have. Am I right or am I right, Zesties? Oh, I guess I don't need this anymore. Let me just get that out of the way. My tofu is a little and overcooked. Oh well. What can you do, Zesties? Tastes good though. Okay, hopefully the chicken is done, because sometimes there are like pieces that don't want to cooperate. Here's a preview. Even though I'm mad at myself that I overcooked the tofu, but oh well, as you can see, I'm doing a lot of stuff. Nope. See, I always say I love the air fryer, but you know, when I do this, there will always be like pieces that I am not okay with on the first go, and I have to put them in again based on if they got crisped or if there were parts of them that like didn't get crisped because it was like touching another piece of chicken or something. Typically the bigger ones are the ones that I put in again, except you never know. This is a long video. I hope it gets cut down when I do the noise canceller. And I'm mad too, because I wanted this all to get done at the same time, but now it's going to take longer for the chicken than the ramen or the Pancit Canton. Okay, let's just put these in one last time and hope for the best. Come on guys, go! And to be honest, this isn't the best way to do it because it like clumps up at the end, but to be honest, I don't really know like how else to do it, what I'm trying to do exactly, so yeah. I wonder if I should eat this with chopsticks, because I said in one video, oh, I don't eat this with chopsticks because Filipinos don't use chopsticks. But I've been enjoying using the chopsticks lately. Where is my other chopstick? This is the long one. Where's my other short one?
Oh, here it is.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna start getting to these eggs. You have to be very careful to not take the egg off with you. And at that point, if they're not done, I don't really care. Okay. Okay. Looking good. Now I'm plating that chicken. Ooh, guys, I can't wait to eat this. I'm so excited. And you already know this is Evan Zesty. So I need to like move these eggs somewhere else while I'm doing this. This is Evan Zesty, so you know we're gonna do it spicy. I'm really excited. Oh, you know what? I might as well get some of that spicy mayo on there too. I'm really excited to try this for the first time. Why is this coming out like not in the way I want it to? What is up with this? Zesties, this doesn't even work. It's like, oh, there we go. That was weird. Whatever. I don't know why it didn't come out at first. You know, like with ketchup bottles, how it'll like not, it'll like just a little liquid will come out at first. I'm so mad I don't have sesame seeds. Okay, now I'm gonna pour as much of this stuff I can again on top to give it that nice snowy look. Cause why not, Zesties? Now let's hit it with this stuff again. Oops, water's dripping from my hands. Yikes. Oops. Let me hit it with some parsley flakes, just a little. Oh, yeah, these, except let me try to get rid of some of those seeds. This is gonna be so good, Zesties. Okay. Alright, Zesties, what do you think? Hey, yum, yum, yum. Delicious.